Hello everyone, welcome to day 8. The celebrations continue as we explore another colorful and meaningful festival from across India. Question 1. What is the main reason Diwali is celebrated in southern India? A. Victory of Rama over Ravana. B. Return of Pandavas from exile. C. Victory of Lord Krishna over Narkasura. Or D. Birth of Goddess Lakshmi. The correct option is C. Victory of Lord Krishna over Narkasura. Question 2. Which king started the tradition of celebrating Diwali after his return from 14 years of exile? A. King Harsha. B. Lord Rama. C. King Vikramaditya. Or D. King Dashratha. The correct option is B. Lord Rama. Question 3. The day before Diwali is popularly known as A. Naraka Chaturdashi, B. Govardhan Puja, C. Bhai Dooj, or D. Dhanteras. The correct option is A. Naraka Chaturdashi. Question 4. Which goddess is worshipped on Diwali for wealth and prosperity? A. Saraswati, B. Parvati, C. Durga, or D. Lakshmi. The correct option is D. Lakshmi. Question 5. Which festival follows immediately after Diwali? A. Holi, B. Govardhan Puja Annakut, C. Navratri, or D. Makar Sankranti. The correct option is B. Govardhan Puja. Question 6. What does Deepavali literally translate to in Sanskrit? A. Festival of joy, B. Row of lights, C. Victory over evil, or D. Celebration of gods. The correct option is B. Row of lights. Question 7. Dasera marks the end of which 9-day festival? A. Holika Dahan, B. Ganesh Chaturthi, C. Navratri, or D. Pongal. The correct option is C. Navratri. Question 8. What is the name of Ravana's kingdom? A. Lanka, B. Ayodhya, C. Mathura, or D. Dwarka. The correct option is A. Lanka. Question 9. Who assisted Lord Rama in finding Sita after she was abducted? A. Vibhishana, B. Hanuman, C. Sugriva, or D. Both B and C. The correct option is D. Both B and C. Question 10. What unique ritual is performed in Bengal during Dasera? A. Burning effigies of demon, B. Immersion of goddess Durga idols, C. Playing Dandiya Ras, or D. Performing Chappan Bhog. The correct option is B. Immersion of goddess Durga idols. Question 11. What is the name of demon king defeated by goddess Durga during Navratri? A. Raktabij, B. Mahishasura, C. Shumbha, or D. Nishumbha. The correct option is B. Mahishasura. Question 12. What form of art is commonly associated with Diwali decorations? A. Rangoli, B. Madhubani, C. Varli, or D. Pattachitra. The correct option is A. Rangoli. The main focus of Lakshmi Panchami Day is A. Worship of knowledge, B. worship of wealth and prosperity, C. worship of war, or D. worship of ancestors? The correct option is B. worship of wealth and prosperity. Question 14. The word Ravana literally means A. the ten-headed, B. the loud roaring one, C. the invincible, or D. the golden king. The correct option is B. the loud roaring one. Question 15. The ritual of Chhat Puja involves offering arghya to A. morning and evening sun, B. rain, C. fire, or D. moon. The correct option is A. morning and evening sun. Thank you for watching, everyone. That's the end of day 8. Tell us your favorite today's festival in the comments, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos.